Are you sick and uninterested in hearing all the newest garbage on the way to achieve a fit, toned, fat-free body in a super quick time? There is a sucker born every minute, and unfortunately, some people do fall for this rubbish. Keep reading to find out the sole thanks to getting fit fast. I want to inform you ways I even have been successful in achieving amazing results with fitness and fat loss with my clients for several years with non-fad exercise gadgets or crazy diets. If you actually want to seek out the sole true thanks to get fit fast, then read on, and that I will tell you exactly the way to roll in the hay, here and now. First things first, the foremost important thing you would like to do to make sure you get fit as fast as you'll is to be clear about exactly what you want to urge fit. You would like to have a clearly defined goal on where you want to be and a really good idea of how you plan to urge there. How are you able to expect to urge fit if you've got no idea where you're heading? Let me put it into simpler terms and ask you this question. Does one thing you'd get fit faster if your goal was to be ready to climb 10 flights of stairs no end compared with climbing Everest? In fact, you would. The task of climbing 10 flights of stairs is far less of a challenge than climbing Everest, therefore if you were training to climb Everest, you'd reach and overtake the specified fitness level to climb the steps well before you're able to tackle Everest. So back to the first question, the way to get fit fast depends greatly upon your current level of base fitness and therefore the desired goal ahead. The subsequent thing to believe is that the relevancy of your training. The instance above gives two similar goals, within the respect that they both involve climbing of sorts. One far more technical and challenging than the opposite, but the training would be somewhat almost like start with. Let's check out another example. If you compare a bodybuilder with a marathoner, initially you'd say that both are fit. This is often correct to mention that both are fit their respective sporting disciplines. However, if both were to swap roles, you'll say that both would struggle to perform well at each other's sports. These are classic samples of people that are fit what they are doing. The training path to succeed in the specified level of fitness for every sport is totally different. So you would like to form sure that the training you are doing to enhance your fitness has relevance to your final goal, otherwise, you'll never get there. Take it from me, you've got to possess a really good level of base fitness to succeed at either of those sports. Most people's idea of a base level of fitness is to enable them to deal with the stresses and strains of their daily lifestyle. This might include tending the garden, leisure walking, running for the bus, and twiddling with the youngsters. To get fit as fast as you'll follow these 6 simple steps. 1. Assess where you're at. Ask yourself why you would like to urge fit. Most of the people plan to get fit. 1. Among 3 reasons: a. Improve physical appearance. B. Health reasons or quality of life. C. For a specific sport, challenge or task. Which category does one fall into? 2. Set yourself a goal. Confirm there's light at the top of the tunnel. When will you recognize you've reached your goal? What does one get to do to urge there? If your goal is weight loss, then what's your ideal weight? If you're training for a selected event, like a running race, what time or distance does one got to achieve? If it's for health reasons, you'll wish to scale back your vital sign or cholesterol. 3. Eat healthily. Your diet must be specific to your goal and your exercise plan. Confirm you're eating the proper food and at the proper time to urge the foremost out of your exercise program. A poor diet equals low energy and poor performance. Ask any successful sportsperson. My advice is to don't continue a diet. You'll just find yourself hungry, demotivated, and provides up. If weight loss is your goal, then start by making one small but significant change to your diet hebdomadally. For instance, if you were to chop out 1 teaspoon of sugar from your 2 cups of tea or coffee per day, then that's a saving of 14,500 calories in 1 year. That amounts to a loss of over 4 pounds of body fat. Does one see where I'm coming from? Small changes can make an enormous difference once you add all of them together. 4. Exercise. If you're new exercise and think you do not have the time, then make a commitment to start out exercising for 5 minutes per day. Does one think you'll handle that? Next week, increase it to 10 minutes, then on until you're doing half hour per day. You will be amazed by what proportion fitter you're just there in a short time. Choose an exercise activity appropriate to your goal, but confirm it is a balanced program that covers all the main components of fitness. A balanced exercise program should include CV training for aerobic and anaerobic fitness, resistance training for muscular endurance, strength, and power, flexibility for a variety of movement and posture, balance and coordination. If you're unsure where to start out, then consider these. 1. Enjoy what you are doing. 2. Balance your exercise to incorporate a CV, resistance, and adaptability. 3. Make your exercise specific to your goal. 4. Make it a lifestyle change, not a chore. 5. Make it challenging, but not impossible. For the simplest results and to urge fitter faster, then consult an exercise professional to style a program specifically for you. 5. Monitor your progress. It'll help to motivate you to prevent you from losing interest. Once you see that you simply are making steady progress towards your goal, it'll keep you focused. 6. Motivate. One among the toughest things about starting a replacement fitness campaign is keeping on target. Try training with a lover or join a club to assist keep you interested. Reward yourself every now and then together with your favorite meal or treat. 7. Fitness for life. Don't just make a commitment to urge fit New Year or holiday, make it a lifestyle change. Decide that you simply are getting to make changes for all times. Last but not least, if you'll get to the purpose where fitness and healthy living become a habit and a natural routine, then it is the unhealthy things that start to become a chore. Remember, if you practice anything enough, you'll roll in the hay stupidly about it, and this is often the state you would like to aim for. At some point you'll come to understand, this fitness stuff isn't so bad after all.